before the event, feeling like everything was outside of my control. It was all happening to me. There was nothing I could do about it. Literally stepping outside of that event, and within, I think, 10 days, I had pulled in $11,000 in income.
It was mind-blowing just to think about how I could incorporate that into my children's life.
This has been the best 12-month period I've ever had. This is the best year, the best last 12 months I've ever had in my life.
I've got a fully booked business. Like, it still spins me out when I've got my PA will go, you're booked out for the next 2 weeks.
I have the strength and the stability to go, okay, yes, I can build an Australia-wide business.
And I went to the Inspired weekend and went, oh my goodness, that's my calling.
First conversation, I've had people let me know that they've made the changes that they need to already, and that the first session did what it needed to.
It wasn't until that event that I had the real emotional connection to the why.